Does a thumbnail and title really help with getting views and subscribers? Yes, thumbnails and titles are two of the biggest factors that influence whether someone clicks on your video. Here's why they matter so much. First impression. Your thumbnail and title are usually the only things a potential viewer sees before deciding to click. If they aren't eye-catching or clear, people will just scroll past. Click-through rate, CTR, YouTube measures how often people click on your video when it's shown. A strong thumbnail and title boost CTR, which signals to YouTube that your video is engaging. That can lead to the algorithm recommending it to more people. Subscribers. If someone clicks, watches, and enjoys your video, they're more likely to subscribe. Without that initial click, from a compelling title/thumbnail, they may never even give your content a chance. Good thumbnails usually have clear subject, faces with expressions work well. Bold text, few words, easy to read on small screens. Bright or contrasting colors. A consistent style, so viewers recognize your videos. Good titles usually are clear and direct, what the video is about. Curiosity-driven without being clickbait. Keyword-friendly, so they show up in search. Shorter is often better, under 60 characters. Think of it this way, your content keeps viewers, but your title and thumbnail bring them in.